About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see.
Hi guys, welcome back to Lali Lali Bali. In this video, we will travel to the Ubud area. Yes, Ubud. An area with a very famous tourist attraction in Bali. This time we will visit one of the famous tourist attractions in Ubud, namely the Monkey Forest tourist attraction, or also known as the Mandala Suchi Wanara Wana.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go.
Monkey Forest Ubud is a nature reserve and temple complex located in the Padangtegal village of Ubud, Bali. If you depart from Ngurah Rai Airport directly to the location from Ubud Monkey Forest, it will take approximately 1 hour, 15 minutes, with a distance of about 36 kilometers.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run.
Before you enter this monkey forest location, you are required to follow health protocols such as washing your hands before entering the location, and also checking your body temperature on the tools that have been provided.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
For the price of admission at this attraction for foreign and domestic tourists, a fee of 60,000 rupiah will be charged, but for those of you who have an identity card as a resident of Bali, you will only be charged a fee of 30,000 rupiah. Here is a smoke-free area. For the sake of preserving nature and the beautiful atmosphere here, you will also find Hindu temples in Bali, calm rivers, beautiful moss-covered rocks and amazing forest areas to explore. It's also important to note that this is where the monkeys live and they are free to roam as they please, so you still have to be careful. When we enter the area of this tourist attraction, we will be greeted by a very dense forest, where there are many monkeys, statues and carvings along the road that make this attraction more beautiful. The green atmosphere makes our eyes fresh. There are also many road signs and prohibitions around every corner of this location, to keep you from getting lost. We were so amazed that when we walked along the tourist path, we were immediately greeted by trees and also one large tree where there were many monkeys and their handlers, along with a pool of water and many statues. 2019 data shows there are around 749 monkeys living in the Ubud Monkey Forest. The monkeys here are tame, but we still have to be vigilant because after all, monkeys are animals that live in nature, especially when we carry things in the form of bags and wallets. Next we will see one of the sacred places in this tourist attraction. This is one of 3 temples in this location, namely Pura Beji. Walk through this Beji temple by passing a narrow road with views of large trees and also very beautiful bridges and rivers. There is also a holy spring with fish in it. The river on the right side of this temple is still very beautiful and clean.
But I can't hear the silence you describe. Don't be ashamed. We can't always leave this place and go where no one knows our names. Pack your bags. We never needed their permission to believe in ourselves. So come with me. We could spend the weekend doing everything they said we'd never do. In their universe, we're just causing trouble, but nothing can hurt us in our bubble. For better or worse, in an uphill struggle. No regrets and windows down, 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 down. About the others, let's escape the silence together. Just say the word.
We will continue our journey to the conservation forest, where in this forest is where monkeys live, and also as a conservation area. We will pass a very beautiful wooden bridge over the river, and this bridge is also filled with monkeys.
Can't hurt us in our bubble, for better or worse, in an uphill struggle. No regrets and windows down, 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 down.
We were very impressed with the scenery in this forest, where on our left and right we were filled with lots of very shady trees.
No regrets and windows down.
Next we will look again at one of the temples in this tourist attraction. At the front of this temple there is a large building. This is the Wantalan building, or what is commonly called the Balinese Pavilion. This temple is called Pura Dalam Aging.
In London, drunk at night, in LA picking fights. I think we have done it all.
pulls me in and out. Love of a different kind.
This is how the inside of this temple looks.
Cause when the daylight comes, we're just good friends. Baby, good friends hanging on. When the daylight comes, we're just good.
We continued our journey to the third sacred location, namely Prajapati Temple, located in the northeast area. This temple is adjacent to the cemetery area. This temple is also the last destination in this location. After that we will go to the exit that is one with the entrance earlier.
No, we don't like to talk. We're not so good for words. That's why we don't get that far. But she still reads my mind, so we can follow through. Always let our bodies talk. Cause when the daylight comes.
Well everyone, we hope you enjoy our trip today. Please stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, stay safe and healthy, and bye for now. Peace.
We're just good friends, like lovers on the weekend.